Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be showing you how to delete file or folder. Files which are no longer required can be deleted from the system. When a file is deleted, it is moved into a recycle bin. This action cannot be carried out if a file is open on your screen, so ensure that all files or folders are closed before you perform this action. I'm going to hover my mouse to this point where I have this folder, double click on it. Let's say I want to delete this file named My Beautiful Picture. Firstly, cut the toolbar. You can see some of the icons are washed out. Now let's go to the file that we want to delete, My Beautiful Picture. So I'm going to click on it. Once clicked, if I go back to the tools bar, you can see that some of the icons are now visible. I can go through this part and delete the item that I want to. Or another way to delete a file would be go to the exact file that you want to delete. Right click on it and then hover your mouse to the top. You will see delete and then delete it by clicking on delete icon. Now you can see here the file named My Beautiful Pic is now deleted. Now, when the file is deleted, it is moved to the recycle bin unless you are prompted that the file is too large to fit into the recycle bin, in which case the file will be deleted permanently. This video helped you. Please consider subscribing to the channel, like the video, share the video, and drop me a comment. I'll see you in the next video.